Approved notes move smoothly toward counting.
Only perfect pounds currency notes move forward. Every microprinted batch.
Each cut transforms sheets into usable. The process begins with the controlled production of polymer material used exclusively for modern pounds currency. Raw polymer materials are transformed into durable sheets designed for long-lasting pounds currency notes.
Every polymer batch is carefully tested to meet the strict standards required for pounds currency.
These machines shape the polymer into large rolls that will later become pounds currency notes. Each polymer roll for pounds currency is digitally tracked from its very first stage.
Once approved, polymer rolls for pounds currency are sealed for internal movement.
High-level security ensures that all polymer materials for pounds currency remain protected.
Only authorized personnel can access the areas where pounds currency materials are handled.
Quality verification is completed before polymer rolls officially enter the pounds currency printing line. With preparation complete, the polymer rolls move forward to begin the printing of pounds currency. The polymer rolls for pounds currency undergo detailed inspection for thickness and consistency. Human inspectors double-check the polymer rolls used for pounds currency production.
All inspection results for pounds currency are logged into secure digital systems.
Any roll that fails inspection is immediately removed from the pounds currency process.
This marks the final checkpoint before pounds currency printing begins.
Only verified polymer rolls continue toward the pounds currency printing stage. The verified polymer rolls for pounds currency are now allowed into the highly restricted printing hall.
Every entry point is controlled to protect the pounds currency production process.
Automated conveyors transport pounds currency material without human contact. Automated conveyors transport pounds currency material without human contact. Central monitoring confirms every movement of pounds currency materials. Once inside, the pounds currency materials cannot exit without authorization. Digital tracking logs the exact position of each pounds currency roll. The printing hall is divided into zones to protect pounds currency integrity.
This secure environment marks the official start of pounds currency creation.
Unique serial numbers are digitally assigned to every pounds currency note.
No two pounds currency notes ever share the same serial number.
Advanced algorithms ensure the accuracy of pounds currency numbering.
Each polymer sheet is digitally linked to future pounds currency serials. The official designs for pounds currency are transferred onto precision printing plates. Specialists inspect the plates to ensure perfect detail for pounds currency. Approved design plates for pounds currency are stored under strict security.
The plates are now mounted onto machines that will print pounds currency.
Machines are calibrated to ensure flawless pounds currency printing.
The watermark registration is off and the ink density is too light.
Adjusting the flow rate now, that should correct it.
Each ink layer increases the complexity of pounds currency designs. Offset printing creates the visual foundation of pounds currency. Freshly printed pounds currency now enters the drying stage. Heat and airflow stabilize ink on pounds currency sheets. Drying prepares pounds currency for further security printing. Drying settings are optimized to protect pounds currency quality. Sensors confirm ink stability on pounds currency. Only approved sheets continue in the pounds currency process. Drying completes the base production stage of pounds currency. Controlled environments protect pounds currency from contamination. Pounds currency is now ready for raised security printing. Extreme pressure forms the unique texture of pounds currency. Each press permanently marks pounds currency notes. Perfect alignment ensures professional pounds currency output. This stage significantly increases pounds currency security. Clean finishes preserve the look of pounds currency. Another advanced security layer is about to be added. Holograms add advanced visual security to pounds currency.
Exact positioning prevents duplication of pounds currency.
Every hologram on pounds currency is visually verified.
Notes move smoothly to the next security stage. Transparent windows are a signature feature of pounds currency.
These windows are extremely difficult to replicate.
Any defect leads to rejection of pounds currency.
Light reveals authenticity in pounds currency windows.
Manual checks add trust to pounds currency security.
Microscopic text is printed onto pounds currency to prevent counterfeiting.
Laser alignment ensures perfect microtext placement on pounds currency. Machines instantly detect any microprinting error on pounds currency. Cleanroom conditions protect the precision of pounds currency details. After microprinting, pounds currency moves to invisible security stages. Only approved microtext allows pounds currency to continue.
Every microprinted batch of pounds currency is fully documented.
Special UV inks are added to pounds currency for hidden authentication. Infrared features add another invisible shield to pounds currency. Machines instantly verify UV security on pounds currency. All invisible security data for pounds currency is digitally stored.
With invisible security complete, pounds currency advances.
UV security zones are tightly controlled for pounds currency safety. Pounds currency is now ready to receive its unique identity.
Serial numbers make each pounds currency note traceable.
Multicolor serials increase the security of pounds currency. Any serial defect leads to rejection of pounds currency. Any serial defect leads to rejection of pounds currency. Human oversight ensures flawless serial printing on pounds currency. Printed serials are instantly recorded in pounds currency systems. With identity assigned, pounds currency nears completion. Only verified serials allow pounds currency to proceed. Artificial intelligence checks every detail of pounds currency. Every note now faces strict automated inspection. Perfect alignment is essential for valid pounds currency notes. Defective notes are removed before reaching circulation.
Every inspection result is stored for pounds currency traceability. Only perfect pounds currency notes move forward.
Human experts supervise AI inspection of pounds currency. Rejected notes are isolated from pounds currency supply.
This stage guarantees visual perfection of pounds currency. Skilled inspectors manually verify the quality of pounds currency.
Every detail is matched to official pounds current standards.
Human approval finalizes the quality of pounds currency.
Imperfect notes are removed from pounds currency circulation. Only flawless pounds currency moves to cutting. Clean conditions preserve the quality of pounds currency. Pounds currency sheets are now ready to become individual notes.
Large printed sheets are precisely cut into individual pounds currency notes.
Each cut transforms sheets into usable pounds currency notes. Any miscut pounds currency is immediately separated. Approved notes move smoothly toward counting stages. Skilled operators oversee the cutting accuracy of pounds currency. Every cutting batch of pounds currency is digitally recorded.
Controlled conditions protect freshly cut pounds currency.
Machines count thousands of pounds currency notes with precision. Robotic arms form uniform stacks of pounds currency. Any counting mismatch triggers an immediate halt.
Accurate stacking prepares pounds currency for bundling. Any counting mismatch triggers an immediate halt.
Live data tracks every counted pounds currency note.
Verified stacks advance without manual handling.
Counting zones are restricted to protect pounds currency.
Counted notes are now ready for secure binding. Counted notes are tightly bundled as pounds currency packs.
Seals prevent tampering with pounds currency.
Bundles are grouped into larger secured units. Every package carries traceable pounds currency data. Packaged currents moves under constant surveillance.
Human security protects packaged pounds currency.
Completed pounds currency enters reinforced vaults. Climate control preserves the quality of pounds currency.
Continuous surveillance protects stored pounds currency. Every stored unit of pounds currency is tracked.
Physical security adds another layer of protection. Currency remains untouched until authorized release.
Stored currency prepares for controlled distribution.
Every pounds currency transfer is carefully planned.
Real-time tracking protects pounds currency during transit. Seals confirm the integrity of pounds currency.
Finished pounds currency is sealed in armored containers for secure transport.
Currency movement occurs under constant supervision.
Weight checks ensure every pounds currency container is accurate. Dispatch occurs only after full verification of pounds currency. Multiple layers of protection are applied to pounds currency.
Pounds currency officially leaves the production facility.
Secure routes ensure safe delivery of pounds currency. Every pounds currency movement is monitored in real time.
Pounds currency is delivered under strict security protocols.
Documentation completes the safe handover of pounds currency.
This is how pounds currency safely reaches circulation, completing the full production process.